How's it going, everybody? I'm Brandon Peace, and this is Turkey Leg TV. So, on this week's episode, we're doing tool time, which means we're going to be either upgrading or making our own tools. So let's dive in to the tool we're doing today. Alright, so we're going to be upgrading this Lathe knockout bar. You can already see that it is damaged on the tip and that there's nothing really nice about it. So let's make a new one. Some people may ask, how do you use a knockout bar? This is how you use a knockout bar. And that's how it's done. Let's make it better. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is getting this piece of Orange Osaga put on here. This is what I'm going to use for the top of my knockout tool. Get it on here. Nice and snug. So let's get to turning. So our top goes on perfectly, but there's a little problem. It's a bit too long. So I guess we need to cut this thing down. We go from old and terrible to new and durable. Shaboom. Make sure you give that thumbs up. Also, if you want to see me build anything new or you have an idea what you want to see me build, make sure you comment below what that is. Make sure you subscribe, show that love. Alright guys, I'm Brandon Peace, this is Turkey Leg TV, and we're out of here. See you later.